It'll just be like a little footpath, basically. It won't be very wide, so it won't be super obvious.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much for all your help.
I
Yeah.
hope you find it.
Have a good
Yeah.
day.
Thanks. A long sleeve shirt for mosquitoes.
You can stick it to that.
They're an hour back.
Well, yeah, or just an hour to the trail.
Yeah. Oh wow. Just to the trail.
Yeah.
You want to do it? You want to do it, or you want to go to St. Mark's?
Both. There's a spring in here somewhere,
Really?
and they saw baby alligators, but that was the comment was from 2 years ago, so they're grown.
Now they're adolescents. This is our fourth section of the Florida Trail that we've been on now, isn't it?
Yeah. I don't even remember which ones we've been on.
Right in the middle of the trail. We're really close to it.
Where?
Right here.
Oh, that's a pygmy rattler.
It is?
Yeah. I would have not seen that.
Yeah, it's pretty camouflaged.
Well, with the camera.
So are we gonna go back behind it to walk through?
Camouflaged snake, aren't you? That's an adult.
It is?
Yeah.
It doesn't get very big, does it?
No. And it has, but it doesn't rattle. It's kind of moving a little bit. Not very much. Yeah. All right, we're going to leave you alone. Here, let's walk around.
Okay.
You're a cool looking snake.
Yeah. Oh, he's coming back this way.
All right. Come on. Come on, Amy.
I'm kind of afraid.
Come on. Just get in. Walk over there.
Okay.
All right, we'll see you later. We don't want anything to do with you. Bye-bye.
We're gonna see a snake today.
All right,
It's a nice warm day.
watch there, too.
Oh
See
yeah,
a
there's the water.
moccasin. So watch out in the sun. Now I'm seeing them everywhere.
Yeah.
There could be water moccasins.
Oh, look there. I'm sure there's a snake in there.
Little alligators.
Mm-hmm. There's water surrounding this, isn't there? Come here. Turn right in about 1/10 of a mile, and that'll take us on the Cathedral of Palms Trail. We'll leave the Florida Trail for that. And then another 1.5 miles down, we'll get to see all the palm trees. Do you know what that is?
It's a burnt tree.
But what is that?
Is that a beech tree?
Can I touch it, you think?
Sure. It's just,
I didn't know if it was poisonous.
we'll find out, won't
Mm-hmm.
we? Sweet gum or beech? I don't remember.
There's another one right there.
It's like where they grow real Christmas trees. They grow their own ornaments.
What do you think all those markings are on those trees on them?
Where?
You don't think they're markers to cut down all these trees, do you?
I hope not.
If they're down deep in the woods, there are those trees. So many. All the way down. There's a palm tree right here. Oh, and another one. It's so neat to see palm trees in the woods. I think we're getting close. Maybe about 1/2 mile. I know, it's really neat. I can never remember the difference.
You just have the long pointed bill, and then the farmers have the hooked bill.
Snapping turtle?
Mm-hmm.
I've seen a snake and a turtle, a woodpecker, and hinga,
Butterfly?
and butterflies. Is that a hummingbird? It's so beautiful. The whole ecosystem just on that one tree. Okay,
Got it?
I think so. My turn.
Oh, you got the stick.
Yeah, I got a stick. Oh, it's slippery. Oh, I'm gonna get all wet. Okay,
Wow. Okay, you didn't step on any of the rock.
I just stepped in the water. I watch for snakes in here. A raccoon! Think there's any alligators in there?
Somewhere.
Oh, come here, Dan. Come here, you'll want to see this. See the birds back in there? Yeah.
Google Map.
Did it right?
Can I see it? Well, we're going to turn back now. We didn't really find everything that we were looking for. Google Maps doesn't even know any of this really even exists. It just shows that we're out in the middle of a dense forest or jungle. There's no path, even though we're on a clearer path. We were looking for an old wood bridge that I'd seen a picture of. It had two like tire ruts in it, built into it. We never found that, and we never found a spring. It's listed as out here somewhere. And it's getting towards evening, and for safety's sake, and we still have at least an hour hike back, and for mosquitoes' sake, because we're surrounded by water, we'll be eaten alive before we even get out of here. We're gonna head back. Maybe we can come back another time. Sometimes it's, or maybe all the time, it's not in the destination, it's in the journey.
Yeah.